Welcome back to the channel, guys. DoorDash got 3 brand new partnerships, and we're gonna talk about them in today's video. But before we get into it, do me a favor and hit that like button and that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with what's going on with DoorDash. You heard my kids screaming in the background. But look, DoorDash got 3 new partnerships, and one of them is quite interesting. And we're gonna go over it in the video, but I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. What's the craziest, most ridiculous thing you've ever delivered on the DoorDash platform? I mean, from heavy things, disgusting things, things you never even thought people could order. Before you even get too far in this video, let me know what's the craziest thing you've ever delivered on DoorDash.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
DoorDash today announced several new partnerships to help consumers navigate the new season with ease. As consumers' favorite local commerce platform, DoorDash provides access to the best of the neighborhood, including groceries, retail, flowers, food, pet supplies, and much more. Whether it's that perfect hair care product for a night out, to ingredients to a favorite dinner after a long school day, DoorDash is a one-stop shop to stock up on your daily essentials. We got some brand new merchants joining the DoorDash platform, so DoorDash is going to be welcoming new merchants to support a busy shopping season. So all you Dashers out there, be on the lookout for these new merchants that will be now offering DoorDash orders in your market. Some of them might be shopping pays, some of them might be regular pickups, but got to get that money. First up, we got H Mart, the largest Asian supermarket chain in the U.S., provides an expansion selection of groceries, everyday essentials, and high-end products from over 75 locations across the United States. Consumers can purchase everything from Korean bangkan and high-quality meats, ramens, noodles, and specialty snacks. All my Dashers out there, be on the lookout for H Mart in your in your neighborhood, in your local markets. Get that money. Mattress Firm. Now, I'm very familiar with them. I've gotten plenty of mattresses from them throughout the years, and that's a great company. Mattress Firm is the nation's largest mattress specialty retailer. Did not know that. They will unlock the magic of same-day delivery for leading sleeping products from mattresses and they got 2,300 locations across the country. Now, I don't know about you, I got an SUV, so I can fit a mattress in mine, but I'm interested to see what a DoorDash offer for a mattress look like. Jesus Christ, we out here delivering mattresses, y'all. This exclusive partnership is perfect for consumers looking to easily outfit any room with various offerings from mattresses and bedding to sleep accessories and more, all through DoorDash. Now, we got to just pause for a second because this is absolutely insane. You telling me we about to be delivering couches and pillows in 4-door coupes? This is crazy. All right, so next up we got Aveda. They create plant-powered vegan beauty products for hair, skin, and body consumers. And they can purchase products from more than 65 stores for on-demand delivery, from trending hair care products to the missing skincare staples while moving and traveling. So there's going to be some good news right here. I think the biggest impact of this is going to be H Mart. They 75 locations across the U.S. They may be in some particular markets that have, H Mart over there, and it's going to be a big help. But this Mattress Firm deal, that's going to be interesting to watch because they got the most locations across the country, 2,300. And I'm interested to see, are Dashers going to be able to safely deliver mattresses, for one? And for two, how much are the payouts gonna be on these mattress deliveries? Because this is crazy right here. I know some mattresses come in boxes, some of them can be rolled up, but if we talking about them for real super expensive mattresses, a lot of those you ain't rolling those up. Those have to be shipped as is. So I'm excited to see what these orders look like coming out of Mattress Firm and these other two merchants that they partner with. So let me know in the comments below if you have any of these merchants in your market, and if you happen to get any offers for these merchants on the DoorDash platform, feel free to take a screenshot and send them to me, and we'll review them right here on this channel. I'll put a link to the email in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.